Okay, in my last video, I was trying to get this tall flower look with this one. And I'll put a link to that video. And this is pretty, but it don't look like that one. And I think I might have figured out a way to modify this idea to get it to look more like this. So what I've done, I hadn't made one yet. I've just kind of started rolling it up, and it looks like it'll work. So, you know, the last time I put the pieces together just like that, even, and then I would like glue them in a circle shape. So now I'm gluing them off the edge a little there, and I'll show you why. I'm gonna get the glue dry and I'll show you why. Okay. With this one, you can see, like, here's a strip of the burlap. This part isn't all the way to that edge. And that edge comes almost to the end of the one inside of it. So that's why I modified it to do it this way. I hope that kind of made sense. So if you ripped this off, you'd pretty much have a longer version of this. Maybe that helps. Okay, we'll add this one just to make it fuller. Or did I do it backwards? Because I've got them all running the same way. Well, I guess all I do is flip it over. Okay, and so on that one, this little corner was pretty much right on the corner of the next one. So I'll put some glue. Oh, that looks a little bit long. I better move it downward a little bit. I hope this works. It was looking good when I started rolling it up anyway. Oh, I got another one here too. Well, the more the merrier, I guess. I don't know. Okay, we'll give that a minute. I wonder which end I should start on. Let's see. Okay, I guess I should start rolling this end. So I'm going to start rolling where this single edge sticks out on top. So if I start rolling here, it'd be the single edge that's on bottom. So I'm doing the one, which single one on the top. If it works. Might not have to remember that if it don't work. Okay. Just rolling it up. Well, look at that. Okay, and here's the other one I did. It's getting prettier. Let's get this, well, there it went. Okay, let's compare it to, I got pieces of fabric everywhere. That's pretty. Okay, let me do it and make sure I keep the bottom even. I don't know if it'd be better with the bottom even. I wonder if I should roll it tight or loose. Let's see. I'm rolling it kind of tight with the bottom Well, as even as I could get it. Okay, now it's starting to look a lot like the other one, so let me try to roll it a little looser again. Well, we'll do our inside little piece kind of tight. And then I'm just gonna kind of hold it up in the air where it'll be looser, but trying to keep it even on the bottom. That looks pretty. You can see through it. Well, maybe there's a way to fix that. There we go. So now there's an easy way. You know, if you can't catch on to how you fold them to make them. I mean, look at that. I mean, if you want it glued down there, you glue it down. If you don't, you don't. Just flare them all out, maybe. Ta-da! And then, of course, now that I know it'll work, I'll have to go back and glue it as I go. Okay, I'm just going to work this in somewhere. I rolled it up and glued it, and where it wasn't even on the bottom, I just cut the little pieces off. Wasn't nothing major. So now I'm wanting to show you how similar they are. See how that one's sticking up there and that one's sticking up there. And I'm going to glue the back on. And I think it makes a really pretty rose. I've done the inside tight and the outside loose, but I kept, you know, the middle together, but not tight. And so, where you can see space, I'm going to put this on the bottom. I'll trim it up a little bit. But that is pretty. Okay, and here's the one from the other video again. I love this one. And then, okay, here's the big, long, tall one. Of course, I stole some petals off of it, so it don't look as pretty as... Look at that. I think I have pretty much figured out a way to reproduce this in a short version. And I could have made this one even shorter because, see, that one's shorter. But you might need a little length to get the curve good. I don't really know yet because I'm just experimenting, but yeah. You know, and if I'd have, because this one had some just rolled up. So, you know, I could have done that there and glued it in the center like I did on that one. So, yeah. I think it's pretty. Hope y'all like it. Now hush. So, hopefully that helps. You know, just get some different looks or whatever. And maybe you can come up with a even prettier one with this method. But thanks for watching. And be sure and hit the like button. Thanks. And I went and stuck some lace down in it. Give it a different look. Just to get some new ideas. I haven't glued these in. Just kind of playing around. But that's what that looks like.